magical friends, welcome back to Caroline's Magical Land. I'm Caroline, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail. But before we get started, smash that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, ding, and like the video. So basically what we are going to do first is, we're going to choose our background. We're going to search for this. And also make sure it's this size. Maybe this one. So right click and then click save image as, and I'm gonna save it as pink flowers. And then I'm gonna save it on my here. I'm gonna blur this part. But now, after you did that, you want a Roblox girl. So I'm gonna do that in Roblox Studio. So click create new experience and allow. And I'm gonna speed this part up. Alright, so we're back, and I just saved this to my desktop, so now we can close this. Let's just save it just in case. Yeah, we'll just save it like that. Okay, so now go back onto Safari and go back to your photo editor. Click open image and get the image that you have saved. Pink flowers right here. And I think it's a little too big. 1,280, and then we do this one to 720, and then you can put this anywhere that you'd like, and I think I'm gonna put it like there. So go back to here, and now we have this. So we can zoom in and zoom out. We're going to zoom out to right here. Now go to this plus, click image, and now I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to get that screenshot right here. And then after we got that, we are going to go to this tool, cutout/mask, and then make sure it's on magic mask, and then click on the background. And then boom, it will completely disappear. But we're going to also you shouldn't really be able to see that, but I mean, what can I do? Anyway, I'm gonna speed that part up because I was not talking forever. So after you did this, you want to go to text. When you go to text, just click anywhere. Click add, and then say anything that you want. For example, and then you say how to, and then you want to go to this, and then I'm just gonna choose this, and now go to styles, click it, and you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna add an outline. I'm going to make the size 45. Actually, let's make it 50. And we're also going to put a shadow. Let's make the shadow color darker. And blur set to 0. Well, let's set it to 2 for us. Actually set it to 10. So it looks more like a real shadow. Distance. I suggest it be like 15. Direction. Like right here. Like maybe this, can you set like, oh, maybe just so you can see more of the shadow. I'm gonna put the distance to 30 and the direction to 204.6. Then opacity to 30. And that's going to be mine. And then you want to right click, duplicate the layer. And then you right click, edit text, make a and then no, not edit text. Right click, duplicate layer, and do straight like this. Edit text, thumbnail. And now I'm going to do that. And I'm actually going to change it to Bravehearted. And I'm actually going to go to the shadow right now. And I'm going to make the blur to 10. And oh, that's how dark it is. To make it more realistic, I suggest putting it to 45. And then I'm going to do the same for this. And I'm going to do that for this as well. And there we go. So now we have these. After you did all of that, and if you don't have to get the same one that I got, but Bravehearted is my favorite. Uh-oh, what happened to the outline? There we go. And there we go. So, after you did that, click File, Save. Save it as PNG. Transparent. Just leave it how it was. And click Save As. And then you save it as whatever you want, but I highly suggest saving it as what you put as your text. So, how to make a thumbnail. and click apply. And also, this is an updated video on how to make a thumbnail. And oh, I just realized that it was behind there the whole time. I did not mean to do that. Well, that's cool. You can still read it, right, guys? Please tell me you can still read it. Well, I hope you can. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye!